Perfect.
Oh, hello. You must be wondering who I am. I'm the magical cough fairy. I take your coughs that you put right here at the magic spot. Remember, cover and cough. That prevents you and your friends from getting sick. Oh, hello. It's me again, the magical cough fairy. Remember, to cover and cough in the magic spot so I can collect your coughs in my magical cough bucket. Welcome to my magical cough garden. This is where I live. After I take your coughs, I turn them into these beautiful flowers you see behind me. Look at all the magical coughs I have here. 1, 2, 3, so many coughs for me. Thank you for your coughs. It's me again. Remember, cover and cough. You can cover your cough anywhere, even on the playground. Cover and cough. Cover your cough. Cover your cough. Poof! Oh, hello. It was really nice to meet all of you. I'm off to go collect more coughs from my other friends. Toodaloo!